I can tell you that the streets that you're going to walk past today look nothing like what they looked like just 2 years ago and almost just about a year ago. You're going to see, although it looks beautiful outside, there are many people in these homes you're going into today who are still struggling to rebuild their lives.
If you look at the number of homes and the number of projects that are completed within a year, and it is remarkable how much work is getting done through that incredible formula of, you know, volunteers and corporate partners and skilled workers. It's truly remarkable.
When Sandy hit, you know, everybody wanted to help, and then after a period of time, you know, people stopped coming.
Right after Sandy happened, they came in, people were here and they were helping, but there's still so much work to do.
As time passes, attention is lost and families feel forgotten.
There's so many people that still need help. 2 years after the storm, and you're still here wanting to help them, and for that, I applaud you.
Get back in touch with that rush that we felt to first help. By doing so, we will shorten that distance and get more families home. It's something to focus on today. Reignite the rush.
Reignite the rush! Reignite the rush! Reignite the rush! Reignite the
God, it means so much. Like finally I have a home again. My home is back again, you know?
All of you here today are why we're able to go out and provide this help.
I mean, part of this thing is about building community, and I think when you have people coming in and helping you rebuild your house to something better than it is, you feel proud of it and you want to protect it.
A great opportunity for just us to rally around a great cause, and because all of the participants who go to the center live in this community, so I think it's a great experience.
Oh my God, it's a miracle. It's a miracle finally happened. I always call it lotto, but it's a miracle.